Cursive Writing for Beginners, Lesson 1, Short and Long Strokes. For this lesson, you will need to have with you a blank worksheet and a pen or marker to write with. You can print out your own free worksheets to help you practice. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. If you don't have access to a printer, you can use regular lined notebook paper instead. What's the difference between cursive and print? Cursive writing is easily recognized when the letters are connected and have a flow to them. Print handwriting, on the other hand, has hard lines and angles, while cursive has, you guessed it, mostly curved lines and strokes. We will begin our cursive writing practice by drawing short and long strokes. Remember that the strokes are all connected. What I want you to focus on in this lesson is the flow. Don't worry if it doesn't look good. Just keep practicing and you'll find your flow eventually. Here is the short stroke. And here is the long stroke. Four common mistakes that you might experience as you practice. The first mistake is that your short strokes are too long or your long strokes are too short. So make sure that you don't go over the dotted line for your short strokes and that it doesn't get confused as a long stroke. This can get really messy if you make this mistake when you start to draw out the actual letters from the alphabet. The second mistake that you might experience is that it is not a long continuous flow. You only pick up your pen when you start a new word, so pay attention and see if you are unintentionally picking up your pen. Don't worry if you catch yourself doing this. It is just a habit from regular print handwriting. Habits take time to break. Gently remind yourself to keep the pen on the paper and keep going. The third mistake is hesitation. Do you find yourself hesitating and leaving the pen in place? This is also a normal mistake when you're just starting to learn. You might find yourself guilty of this mistake once you start practicing the actual cursive letters from the alphabet. Since you're not familiar with them, hesitating to go and look back at the reference photo will be normal for you until you become more familiar with them. Have patience with yourself. The fourth mistake is the pressure. As you write, try to be mindful of how much pressure you're putting on the paper. Using a Sharpie marker can help you see when your pressure is just too much. It is also very convenient for you to see the stop and go hesitations, as the Sharpie marker will leave the globs of ink whenever you stop the flow. Let's draw a couple of lines together, shall we? Start with the short stroke. And now for the long stroke. And now let's mix them up a little bit. Great job! You've finished the first lesson in cursive handwriting. In the next lesson, we will learn how to draw the alphabet in both capital and lowercase letters. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on other exciting videos just like this. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.